Although all itpstyli products undergo rigorous quality control measures, there are still a few things you can do on your end to ensure the accuracy of your measurements and increase the longevity of your measurement tools. Keep styli as short as possible to increase stability. Examine styli before use. The thread and seating area must be clear of defects to ensure a secure mount. Improperly attached styli are the #1 cause of measurement variations. When a stylus is worn, it must be replaced, particularly if you are scanning as opposed to making point measurements. Scanning with a stylus requires the ball to remain in contact with the surface continuously, increasing the chance of impurity buildup. The environment can greatly affect your measurements. Be sure to use thermal stable components in uncontrolled environments. Weight is crucial to keep in mind when assembling styli configurations. Make sure you stay within the limitations provided by your probe head manufacturer. Use as few pieces as possible, as each intersection introduces uncertainty and potential instability, increasing the chance of inaccurate measurements. Use the largest ball possible. The larger the sphere diameter, the less likely it is to record small surface imperfections present on every workpiece. This will help reduce random measurement variations, or mavericks. Styli should be perpendicular to the workpiece. If the measuring plane is at an angle, use an angled cube or knuckle to ensure perpendicular alignment. At ITP, not only is the entire manufacturing process subject to a full quality control, but every product must meet the strictest quality testing in a final inspection before shipping. Call or visit today.